Hey everybody, Allie Doran with Miss Allie's Kitchen here. Today I'm showing you how to make my all-purpose marinade that I use all the time for venison and game meats, and this recipe, you can find it on my website, missallieskitchen.com. This is a really simple recipe, and it just has a quick base of olive oil, vinegar, some lemon, some seasonings, and plenty of garlic. All of these flavors are really designed to really bring out the flavor of venison while toning down that rich heaviness that some people call gamey. This is one of those recipes you're gonna wanna keep in your back pocket because you can use it all the time. For steaks, you can even use it on stew meat to make kebabs. The options are endless. I'm gonna get started. I just have some balsamic vinegar and olive oil in here. You can also use red wine vinegar, or I've even used white wine vinegar. Next, I am going to have a lemon and just put the juice right on in. It's okay, even if you get a couple seeds in there, this is just a marinade. The next thing I'm gonna add is some Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. This just helps to season everything really well. I love Italian seasoning with venison, and I always keep it in my pantry. Now I'm just gonna mince up some garlic and put that in, and then your marinade is pretty much finished. Okay, garlic is going in. Now all that we need to do is mix everything together. Since I'm doing this in a jar, I'm just gonna screw on a lid and shake it. You can also whisk this together, or honestly, you can pour it right over your meat and just kind of mix everything together and whatever you're marinating in. Quick shake, and this is all ready to go. You can get this recipe for my all-purpose venison marinade on my website, missallieskitchen.com. I'm Allie Doran, and thanks for watching.